Okay, so we have another very cool question from Measure Slack regarding having visitors via Adobe Target be assigned to either a test or control group after a certain behavior has done on the site. And so I thought this was very cool. The approach I'm recommending here is something I use all the time. There's a few different ways to do it depending on what the behavior is. So if more details could be provided, then mouse track and what have you. So essentially how I would approach this sort of thing is having a parent-child relationship. So you would set up an activity in Adobe Target using the global mbox, and that would have code in it to do your experience A or experience B. Then what you'll want to do is include this code here, something similar to it. This is nested mboxes or additional server calls to Adobe Target. So experience A, whatever your offer code is, whatever you want, whatever behavior you're tracking, if you want to put people in group A or group B, same thing down here for experience B. So you have this mbox name, which is the same, but then you have an mbox parameter called experience A and experience B. Then you go into Adobe Target and you set up the child activity. So this will be the child activity that you will use, and it supports A for T because it's server to server. So even if this mbox call fires after the analytics call did, you're fine. And then just add in audience refinements, not here, that's for the location. You don't have to worry about it because technically this mbox should only fire from the parent activity. But add a change in audience here, and then you would add experience targeting here, and this would be your code that mbox parameter experience or exp equals A, but you can change this to anything that you like. So yeah, it's a quick way to put people in groups depending on behavior. Lots of applications for all sorts of things that can happen after the page view has taken place. So hopefully this helps.